除く除く The word nozoku is a verb in Japanese used frequently in various contexts. As a verb, it primarily means to exclude or remove something. It can be used in both everyday conversations and academic contexts where exclusion or exception is discussed. It is important in both formal and informal Japanese. Now, repeat after me. 除く除く除く The first kanji means exclude or remove. It often shows up in words where something is being taken away or eliminated. For example, soji means cleaning, which involves removing dirt or mess. The word kaijo refers to cancellation, like lifting restrictions or removing barriers. Another example is jogai, which means exclusion, the act of leaving something or someone out of a group or consideration. Everyone, please look at these examples of the word nozoku. Make sure to practice shadowing these sentences for better memorization. ゴミを除く Remove trash. ゴミを除くゴミを除く誤りを除いたデータ Data with errors removed. 誤りを除いたデータ誤りを除いたデータリストから名前を除く Remove a name from the list. リストから名前を除くリストから名前を除く不安を除くために祈る Pray to ease anxiety. 不安を除くために祈る不安を除くために祈る環境に悪いものを除く Remove things harmful to the environment. 環境に悪いものを除く環境に悪いものを除く差別を除く Eliminate discrimination. 差別を除く差別を除く除かれる運命 Destined to be removed. 除かれる運命除かれる運命 The most common alternatives to 除く include 取り除く取り除く which means to remove and implies taking away something unwanted. 排除する which means to exclude, indicating a deliberate act of not including something. And 省く which means to omit, suggesting the action of leaving something out, typically for brevity or relevance. The most common antonyms of 除く nozoku include 加える which means to add, indicating an action of putting something in, 含む meaning to include, which signifies incorporating something within a group or set, and 追加する which translates to add additionally, emphasizing the action of adding more to what is already present. Finally, let's practice the word 除く with some questions. Can you make a sentence about excluding someone, 彼, from a project, プロジェクト? Think about teamwork. このプロジェクトから彼を除きます。I will exclude him from this project. このプロジェクトから彼を除きます。このプロジェクトから彼を除きます。Can you create a sentence that states everything is in a box, 箱, except for special items, 特別 Imagine the contents. 特別なものを除いて、全部この箱にあります。Everything is in this box, except special items. 特別なものを除いて、全部この箱にあります。特別なものを除いて、全部この箱にあります。Can you form a sentence discussing a task, 課題 that is easy, 簡単 except for a problem, 問題 Consider your challenges. 問題を除いて、この課題は簡単です。This task is easy, except for the problem. 問題を除いて、この課題は簡単です。問題を除いて、この課題は簡単です。Can you describe a situation where everyone, みんな gathered except the participants? 参加者 Think of a meeting. 参加者を除いて皆が集まりました。Everyone gathered except the participants. 参加者を除いて皆が集まりました。参加者を除いて皆が集まりました。